So, what is conduction and how to define it? Definition means putting the expression in precise words. So, when we want to define conduction, we will say it is the process by which heat is transferred from the hotter end of the object to the colder end of the object, and that is what is conduction. That is what happened. The hot end was where the flame was when you put that metallic scale, and from there the heat passed on to the last end, which was the colder part. Similarly, when you put a utensil and put a spoon in it, the spoon end is in the hot liquid, but the other end also gets heated up. So, the heat has moved from the spoon to the handle, and that is what conduction. Second method is convection. So, the process by which heat is transferred in liquids and gases is convection. As you saw how the hot water went up and the cold water came down and a kind of current was created. Similarly, a current of a hot air and cold air is created in the coastal areas. Air moving from land to sea at night and from sea to land during the day. These are convection currents, and the method of transfer of heat is convection. The third method is radiation. It is the process which does not require a medium. So, when we are writing about it, we can say the process by which heat is transferred without a medium is called radiation, like the sun radiations. If this method was not there, we couldn't have enjoyed the heat and the warmth of sun. So, you have understood in this chapter that the hotness or the coldness is measured through temperature. Various scales are like Celsius and Fahrenheit, and then the device by which we can measure the temperature is a thermometer. And thermometers can be clinical, digital, laboratory thermometer, which has a longer range, and minimum and maximum thermometer. Now, you can take your own body temperature also, but remember the precautions I told you. Try it, but for the first time, try in front of some adult, your parents or somebody else, so that you are not harmed, and the thermometer is also not harmed. So, did you enjoy this chapter? Now you know how the food gets cooked because of the transfer of heat, and why metallic utensils? Because they can transfer heat. So many things you have learnt in this, and you can also try them. Simple things, they are not really difficult experiments. You can do them at home also. But whenever you are working with fire, let there be an adult with you. That will be safer for you. All the best.